This section of the screencast will be covering how to create a header footer macro. First, I will go step by step through it without you following along to show you the end result. Then I will walk you step by step with captions on how to create a header and footer macro. At the end, I will give you time to try and create the macro on your own. I'm going to quickly go through creating a macro. You don't have to follow along because afterwards I will give you step-by-step instructions with captions. This is just to show you the end result of what a header footer macro looks like. So that is what the end result of the header footer would look like. You could customize the header and footer wording when you put in the code. I will now take you step-by-step instructions through it and walk you through the process. First thing you're going to do is open up a new Word document. In the top ribbon you're going to see View. You're going to click View. Once you click View, you're going to see Macros on the far right in the ribbon. You're going to click that and click View Macros. When you click View Macros, a new screen is going to pop up labeled Macros, which is where you're going to type in header footer and click Create. When you click Create, it's going to bring up the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications screen. This screen is where you're going to type in the code for the macro, which will be underneath the video on YouTube. So you're going to take the code and paste it into the document. When you do this, it's going to say subheader footer. You're going to delete the second sub and sub. So this is what your code is going to look like. Now right here and right here, this is where you're going to be able to customize what your header and footer is saying. So instead of saying Kareem Murphy, I can change it to my name, Douglas Bird, or your name, or it could be a company name, something of that effect. And this was for our training session, so I'll keep it ITM 330 training manual. You're going to go up and click Save. You have to make sure you save it before you exit, because otherwise your macro isn't going to work. Close Microsoft Visual Basic, and you're going to click up at the top of the toolbar, the down arrow that says Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Click on that, and you're going to then click on More Commands. When you click More Commands, it's going to bring up your Word options. There is a section that says Choose Commands From, and it's currently under Popular Commands. You're going to click the drop-down menu and click on Macros. When you click on Macros, you're going to see the new macro that you created is in your folder. So you click that, you're going to click Add, which adds it to the toolbar, and you're going to click OK. After clicking OK, you're going to notice that a new icon appeared up by the save and undo and redo buttons. That it creates the shortcut for you for your macro. All you have to do now is click on that When you click on that macro shortcut, it is going to create, as you see, your header, and you scroll down, and your footer. It's as simple as that to create a macro for headers and footers. You may now take this time to try and create your own header footer macro. If you get stuck on any of the steps, please rewatch the video. When rewatching the video, there are also captions at the bottom. You can read the captions while watching the video and listening to see the full steps that need to be completed to create the header footer macro. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned valuable information on how to create header footer macros.